In a small coastal town, Eileen rebuilt her family's bakery after a flood and learned that persistence tastes sweeter than pastry. She documented every failure, turning each crumb into a stepping stone toward her first bakery award and a thriving community hub. Her secret was simple: wake before dawn, listen to customers, and adapt fear into fuel rather than surrender. When rivals doubted her, she invested in staff, shared profits, and watched as the town rose with her courage. Today her story travels beyond borders, proving that steady effort plus generous heart creates lasting triumph.